Welcome back to Educatopia, where we explore the fascinating world of biology. In today's episode, we will be exploring the structure of leaves. So let's dive right in. To understand the structure of leaves, we need to start at the basic level. Take a look at this leaf cross-section. As you can see, leaves are composed of several layers that work together in harmony. The outermost layer of the leaf is called the epidermis. It acts as a protective barrier against pathogens, excessive water loss, and damage from external factors like UV rays. The epidermis also contains specialized cells called guard cells, which form small openings known as stomata. These stomata are essential for gas exchange. They allow carbon dioxide to enter the leaf for photosynthesis while releasing oxygen and water vapor. This process occurs through tiny pores which can open and close depending on the plant's need. If we zoom in further, we discuss the mesophyll, which is the middle layer of the leaf. It contains two distinct regions: the palisade mesophyll and the spongy mesophyll. The palisade mesophyll is found right below the upper epidermis and consists of tightly packed elongated cells. These cells contain a high concentration of chloroplast, the organelle responsible for photosynthesis. The arrangement of palisade cells maximizes light absorption. Beneath the palisade mesophyll, we have the spongy mesophyll. This region contains loosely arranged cells with air spaces in between. These air spaces facilitate the exchange of gases between the leaf cells and the external environment. Connecting the mesophyll layers is an intricate network of veins, known as vascular bundles. These bundles contain xylem and phloem tissues. The xylem transports water and minerals from the roots to the leaves, while the phloem carries the products of photosynthesis, such as sugars, to other parts of the plant. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more content. Like, subscribe, and leave your questions or suggestions in the comments. Until next time, calm your nerves and focus on learning.